Hello guys, I'm glad you decided to join us to celebrate Thatcher's first birthday. So in today's video, we are going to be prepping for his party tomorrow. We've got a little bit of cooking, cleaning, and of course decorating. So we've got tons of work to do. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. That way we make sure we get it all done and perfect for his special day. So we're just going to start with a little bit of surface cleaning. Now do not ask me why I'm starting in my bathroom. I know nobody will come in here, but I guess I figured I had some things I needed to pick up in my room anyway, so I just go ahead and wipe off my sink because my contact solution can make a big old mess on my countertop. Now we're going to work on the guest bathroom, which people will see. So I'm doing some more surface cleaning and then making sure they have a clean toilet. Before I work on the toilet, I am going to come and wipe down my kitchen countertops and do a little surface cleaning in the living room. So we're taking a little break from cleaning because we just got back from Walmart and we picked up tons of party prep stuff. So I'm going to try to run through it with you really quickly just so you have a little idea. We originally wanted to go with Cocomelon, but go figure, they were out of everything. So we changed the theme to SpongeBob. So we got some specialty plates for the cake. And then, so as you know, the specialty plates are expensive for only a couple. So we went and got these just plain yellow ones, and they're like 97 cents for 20. So we got 2 packs of those. And then we got this happy birthday sign. We'll throw that up later somewhere in the living room. And we got this tablecloth. There's a table down in the basement that the old owners left. We're probably going to bring it upstairs. And then we got these yellow napkins because, again, the ones with his face on them were more expensive than what they were worth. We got his little one candle we're going to stick down in his cake. And then we got these banners and just little table decor there. And then some balloons here. The kids will get a kick out of these, busting them. We got, we got some party size candy for party favor bags. And I'm gonna make some little smoky wieners, the barbecue weenies. Those are always a favorite, so these go with that. And then this isn't party related, but we needed some candles because TMI, the boys have been pooping a lot and our house just smells like poop. And then we got some croissants. We're gonna make some little chicken salad sandwiches. We got cranberries and then rotisserie. I'm trying to go through this fast because a lot of this is cold stuff. Then we're gonna make some, cheesy Velveeta sausage dip. So we got some chips for that. And then here we're getting some good stuff. We got Thatcher an outfit for his birthday. And then we got the boys some dressy shirts. These were like in the Easter section. They may wear these tomorrow, I'm not sure. Then we picked up our other kids just a little something to have. So we got Liam this little Spider-Man mystery packet here. Then we got the other two, the SpongeBob. This comes with like a keychain, a squishy, and a tattoo. And then Brantley got Blue's Clues. It's got the same thing. And then Thatcher also got a monster truck because he's not getting into much, but he is getting into some monster trucks. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up the haul here. We're going to finish putting this stuff away and then probably decorate here in a minute. I just realized I forgot to show you the birthday cake. So we got it one that has a yellow outline for SpongeBob. And this says Happy Birthday Thatcher. And it's actually cupcakes. That way you can just pull one off and not having to cut the cake. And then this is his smash cake. Nothing fancy, just something he can throw all over the place. Alright, now let's decorate.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You need.
Alright, so yeah, that looks good with his picture there. And then the happy birthday. Alright, on to the streamer. Thank you, my bobbers.
You got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing.
What about just taping them up to the ceiling? Can you reach up there?
No. Is that what you want to do?
Oh, I lost my picture. My picture fell off.
Nothing at all.
these little stringy thingies.
Tassels.
And the banner. And then we're going to clean this table because it is disgusting. And then we're going to put the tablecloth on, and then I'll go show you the living room real quick. So this is what we have for the living room. We've got the streamers here and here. Then the happy birthday. A picture of Thatcher. And then Krabby Patties on either side of his picture. Simple, but effective. Ugh, and here we have a Duke fan. So, our game is tomorrow. I'm Carolina fan, he's Duke, and we're rivals, and we play tomorrow, and bleh, Duke is puke. But normally we do pull for each other's team, but like I said, tomorrow is the big rivalry game at like 8 o'clock, so can't wait for that. So that's a lot of rust down there. It's as clean as it's going to get. But for my people that love the cleaning motivation, look at this rag. Yum, yum. Alright, now I'm going to throw the tablecloth on it, and then we'll probably be done for today and pick up the rest of the party prep in the morning, the day of the party, which is Saturday. So it's about 7 o'clock at night on Friday night, and I just got out of the shower, and I thought, well, why put off for tomorrow, party day, what I could get done tonight? So I'm going to prep the party bags. Dalton's ran to the store for some forks because we forgot those, and then we're going to prepare our little smoky wieners before bed, our little planktons, as we're calling them, even though plankton's like greenish, bluish, and the smokies are red, but they're shaped like plankton, right? So for the party theme, they're going to be called planktons. So right before bed, we're going to throw those on. So yeah, I'm going to start prepping the party bags. Say that 14 times fast. Okay, so I didn't realize that these were the teeny tiny ones. So I'm not even going to sit here and take the time to divide out. I'm just going to grab a handful and throw them in the bag. I'm using plain Ziploc bags because I wanted to get specialty bags. But of course, I forgot those too, and I'm just so tired and exhausted already, and it ain't even the party yet. So we're just going to deal with what we have, which is this. But I'm leaving a little bit just in case I have an extra kid show up. And there we have it. I just got to zip them up. And that's one thing. We also have a couple kids coming that are around Thatcher's age, a year old, a little older. But anyway, a good party favorite for them are these yogurt melts. That's what we got in mixed berry. Or you can also get the little puffs that they have. But that's just a little party favor idea if you have babies coming. Now I'm going to start on making our planktons. I've already prepped our crock pot with a liner. So now all we got to do is basically just throw the barbecue sauce, the weenies, and then the grape jelly in, and it's basically that simple. I'm not going to measure anything. I'm just going to pour till it feels right. And I probably won't show y'all how to do these tomorrow just because you probably already know how to slice open a croissant and stuff chicken salad in there. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this going. So I think we got us a good coating in there. I don't think you can really mess this up. I could be wrong. I guess we'll find out tomorrow. But then you're just going to cook it on low overnight. And you could probably cook it on high for about 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. But I'm going to say the longer it gets to soak everything up, the better. So we're just going to do it overnight. It's party day! So we have been busy this morning. We mopped and swept off camera, and I made our sandwiches. Let me turn around and I can show you. So I made our croissants, or our Krabby Patties. Y'all, if I was thinking right, we would have had hamburgers, but you know, hindsight's 20/20. And then we pulled our big cooler out of the basement. It's like 60 cans. So we put our pop in here overnight to chill. And then we're going to put it in here with some ice closer to party time. So yeah, about all we have left to do is put the cans in the cooler, and then we still have to cook the sausage dip buff right here for that. And this is how our planktons are turning out. I did add a little bit of brown sugar to them just because it tasted plain. So Dawn says they're a whole lot better with the brown sugar. I've got a crying youngin', so I'll see y'all at party time. I figured I should show you the birthday boy before he gets cake everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. And your handsome little butt nut. Just rocking away. Yeah, you don't know what kind of surprise and treat you're in for, do you? You just wait. So this dip that I'm making is really easy. You just cook up your pork sausage, and then you take your Velveeta cheese and diced tomatoes and green onions by Rotel, and you put that in there, and then you put your pork in there, and then you microwave it all for about 5 minutes. These are for Carl and Aunt Caroline. Oh, hang on.
Liam, Brantley, y'all come sit down right here.
Why don't you let them help?
Yeah, I know they can help, but they're trying to go too fast.
Okay, bottles.
Here, sit down.
What do you want?
Thank
There you
you.
go.
Come on up here, girl. Get up there.
No.
Okay. No. Who's this from? Thatchers. It is Thatchers.
Oh, I didn't write on them.
Oh, you didn't? Okay, so Dan,
There
it's
you go,
Mom.
wait a minute.
Carly.
Hey.
He's running away. Thatcher.
I'm gonna elbow smash you.
You might slam that sugar in, Blue. probably taste it. You can go away if you don't.
I know. Sit down. Now look, want that?
Say hip, no, I don't want that.
Okay. We got a book down here too. Okay,
Shall I?
Anyway, my hand turned into a dog.
Shall I?
Sorry, we'll get done giving you commands in a minute.
y'all, I'm already sweating.
I know, right?
Okay.
Shall I eat that ball?
This is from Ryan and JC.
Shall I?
Got some diapers
Oh boy,
and wipes.
Cool.
you need to wipe that tail.
Yeah. Rhonda,
Not yet.
come here.
Liam, stop.
Okay. This is from Mom and Daddy.
Oh boy.
Liam Douglas,
That's from
stop.
Get over here.
This is from Auntie
Bring it here.
Carly. Food, clothes, Mom's favorite part.
Hey, Mama, you do me a favor? Will you run in my closet and look on that little white shelf I have, the 3-shelf thing, and get that stuff off of there? There should be one of these in my bed closet. Yeah, that's fine. Here, I'm gonna get Ryan to go get it so you can eat. Ryan will get it.
That's baby brother. Wow, hey, Franklin.
Alright, this is from Granny and Paws.
Oh boy, turtle river.
We need socks.
What's wrong with them?
He's drama queen. You didn't see that?
You wanna go to bed? Stop.
Whose is this?
Amber and us.
Okay. Oh.
You don't need to eat Charlotte.
Oh, we need
folks
shorts.
run.
Oh, my, that is so cute. No.
Oh, that's so
Awesome
cute.
like my mom.
Yeah, normally they say dad, so that's
Yeah,
good.
that's sweet.
Yeah, I seen that one.
That's sweet. Them's the two, them's the largest ones I think.
That's
Brantley and Liam.
Okay, here we go. Are they, does it matter?
No.
They're identical.
Okay, here's you guys something to open. Okay, here. Why are you throwing stuff at me?
Liam, get in, dig in it. You want to open the
Ethan
present?
and us.
Old boy,
You guys-
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Does whatever a spider can.
Oh, looky there.
Oh, I love those.
Lisa and Ethan, the
So
boys.
cute.
That's a nightlight.
Oh,
Teddy
I
bear.
love that.
Hang on, Ethan. You might got one more. This is Thatcher. This is Thatcher. Hang on. That's Brantley.
No.
Let's make sure.
Yeah, and there should be one of these.
I'm gonna say so. Alright, y'all dig in.
Oops. She should not have chose me for a cameraman.
Alright.
Yeah. Well, I've been looking at the ceiling for a few minutes.
Oh man, they were so much fun.
Get this one, Daddy.
Yeah, I see it.
Play your papa. Oh.
Oh man, I love that. What about those kids?
Papa.
Oh my. I was so good about picking clothes out and stuff. It always has been.
Let me open that up for you. Give me $1.25.
Smart and kind and strong.
Oh.
I don't know so much about the smart and kind.
Ambulance,
Say you got your
fire
hands.
truck,
Yeah.
and a rescue helicopter.
Oh, that's
Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, whoa. Pat. Oh, you know the helicopter. Pat.
he loved that little fellow.
There you go. Big, big.
Oh, Lord. Daddy, oh, that's amazing.
He's got his own.
Is it not in there?
Police car.
Here, Liam.
All right. Say thank you, everybody.
Here, Dad, let me do that for you.
All right, open it.
Baby,
What?
you want me to do that so you go? Okay, sweetheart.
Thank you. Yeah, of course.
What is it?
Oh,
You don't know?
What is them?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Thatcher. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
All right. There.
Look,
Hey.
y'all can have one in a minute.
Oh, feet right in the face. Feet first.
Oh, how sweet.
So somebody done touch your dang foot in it. What I look
Look at that.
Thatcher, eat it.
It's textured like doo-doo. It's textured like doo-doo.
I think you meant put it on his nose.
I'm trying to bling it off.
They don't like to.
Eat none of it.
So I smeared it all over me, but I don't know that I'm going to eat it. So I just going to play with it. Yeah, he said. Yeah.
Is that good? Probably very sweet to him. Is that popcorn?
Yeah.
Talk to
Birthday.
it. Talk to
Is
it.
that good?
Oh, that's so cute.
Don't sling it everywhere, so.
I thought Dalton was going to sit there and push his face until he tried. He tried.
I'm about to put the cake in his face.
I feel like I'm getting flipped off.
Oh, bother.
I don't get this. I done this the other day and y'all fussed at me.
That's the last time in your life you get this one. You're not getting your butt licked.
Yep.
Enjoy it.
Yep.
Lord.
He's going to try to bite it when you picked it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going to bite it.
He was gonna
At
bite it.
least I was smart and got a white.
Yeah.
Like that. I got it. There it goes. He don't like a twist of that.
That's what I was thinking.
Hey, Daddy, get that out of his nose before he sucks it up in there. So you treat me really good, Daddy. Oh, look how cool that is. No, so Daddy done treat me. I want you to bet about Daddy.
No, come on, we'll go get you a cupcake. Come on.
I made a deal with you. If I gave you, you would.
Thank you guys so much for coming to Thatcher's birthday party and hanging out with me before while I cooked and cleaned. And I hope you guys had a great time. And I'm going to go watch the Duke Carolina game. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye, y'all.